Hello, everyone. Happy Thursday. Happy Thankful Thursday. Happy birthday, Mama. Okay, my mama is living her best life. Okay, I still think she's 40 years old. I don't. And people ask me how old my mama is. I just be like, listen, only God knows, because that lady she aged backwards. That's how I feel like. But I'm glad I got those jeans. All right, well, welcome, everyone. My name is Ramera, aka Mara the Goddess 22. A little bit about myself for those who do not know me. I am 29 years old, stay-at-home mom of three wonderful boys, and I rob banks legally, and I'm here to teach you how. So I didn't do my Wednesday market review. Um, I actually had other business to attend to. I have my events that is coming up on um Friday and Saturday. So they were basically pre-gaming for the events yesterday. So I wanted to make my commitment to you guys and show up today. That will also remind me Saturday would not be a slow it down Saturday. I really don't want to do that every Saturday as well, because I already know how my Saturdays be. Sometimes I have a lot of events, sometimes I have a lot of things going on, and I don't really want to commit to that. So Saturdays is like a hey, pop up and slow down Saturdays. All right. So if this is your first time joining, I do want to let you guys know that how we actually learned from trading, how I've been teaching you guys is the Candlestick Trading Bible. This is a free download. You can download it on any of your internet browsers, or you can also purchase the book as well. I can drop the link in the description below. Um, for me myself coming out, I didn't really have money like that, so I got the free download, printed out the book, and I just put it in a notebook and highlighted the things that I need to highlight. But we have the PDF version now, so I'm actually sharing this with you guys. Someone actually asked me, how is it to trade when you have little to no money? Well, it's easy. First you want to learn how to trade, and then what I'm gonna teach you is how we gonna trade other people's money, get funded, and get money that way. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. We're going over the trades for this week that has happened. So today we actually had wait, hold on, let's start off with Wednesday. Sorry. So Wednesday, let's start off with this week actually up until today. So Sunday we already knew what happened on Sunday. Monday we had our news. I think Tuesday we actually traded live. Did we trade live? I don't know. We traded live one of these days. We traded live Tuesday. Wednesday we did trade live, but I didn't stay on long. Um Anyway, we had some news that was coming up. CPI for our CAD news, USD core retails. We still have G2 meetings that has been happening. We have been having get the earnings from like our Teslas, from our techs, and things like that. Those are actually still moving the markets and behind the scenes as well. Wednesday, we had some AUD news, some housing starts. Actually was kind of less than forecast, and the building permits less than forecast. CPI for NZD, GBP, and CPI news as well. And then today we had unemployment claims that actually end up becoming less. Than what was forecast, which is good for the dollar, which means it was bad for the other currencies as well. And then tonight we have some national core CPI with our JPY. All right, so let's get into it. EU. So when I did mark up, I said I wanted her to actually drop down before we can get in for a buy entry. So our buy entry actually hasn't been set up. But actually looking at market structure right now, I really feel like EU is going to continue to go down, and then it probably will go down to this 50 percentile that we have here. But right now there is a strong bearish move that is happening. We do have our buy setups took place. So when I do my stops, I really kind of like for price to go past my entry, so that way when it's coming up or if it's coming down, we'll have like less risk to actually go through. All right. So that's a little gem that I threw out there. Okay, EJ, yeah, EJ has been playing with my ass, been playing with my ass, been playing with my ass. Okay. But she finally made the drop that I wanted her to be able to do. So right now in EJ, we are currently up by 40 points. I mean, I'm sorry, 40 pips, which is really, really good, guys. If you are looking, so we are in that 50 to 61 percentile. She can be able to have the option to go down. I think in our live trading session, she actually we got 118 points on Tuesday. If you did want to be able to catch the buy, you could have been able to catch the buy up. And then right now, she is currently studying 40 points, like like almost 200 pips. Okay, and that's only on one pair. That's only on one pair. Okay. And I know it's not 200, but you get my drift. I don't know if she will get down to the 119 pairs because we are still in that area where she can be able to turn around. So we'll just basically base off our price action and see what happens there. But guys, you do have that opportunity to be able, if you are just now getting into that trade, or if you had that trade set up, um, let's see. What was I to say? If you're just looking for those 40 pips that's in the market, go ahead and get your 40 pips. Get out. Tomorrow's Friday. We do not know what's going to happen in the market. We don't know what's going to happen with the news. You've made your money. Go ahead, collect your money. So that's what's happening on EJEA. Oh my gosh, EA. I think my first sale stop was right here, but she did actually take it took place. She actually went up a little bit, so it gave us a better entry, a better risk to reward. And last night's news, she actually like that really she took me in like around like what 3 or 4 o'clock, maybe, I don't know. It was in Asian session where she placed me into the trade, and then 9:30 she did what she needed to do, or well, based off of the news, and news actually pushed the market where it needed to be pushed at. um and 135 pills secured. Okay, secured. Now she does have that potential. As we know, overall, we are looking for buys. Okay, she made a W formation that has happened here, indicating she was in a buy. First, she was ranging. We were just waiting to see what was going to happen. Also, how we can still be able to make money in the range of markets. You can always follow back on the candlestick Bible. Um, that is what page 63, the range of market and how to enter. So she could be able to get down to this 4 hour support and resistance. Just be very, very careful. We've already hit the points, pips that we need, and then that risk to reward was lovely. Only 14 pips that we were risking, and she didn't even have to go into no drawdown. So that was really, really lovely. I was waiting for that trade, and that happened. We were actually talking about the ranging and how you can be able to easily spot those fake outs in the market as well. And then let me just show you something right quick. This is a bearish from Rami. Here's my arrow. This is a bearish harami that I like. We could have been actually able to enter in after that bearish harami, but I wanted to see because we were at a daily support and resistance. I wanted to see how that candle closed. She did close. We came and got that retest. Once she broke out, actually, that's why I put my alert close to this daily support and resistance. She came back up, touched it. I said, okay, boom, we about to get in, and we got in, and we profit. So that was great. I didn't trade EA this morning. There was like a small pullback, but she was really just going back and forth consolidating. The move was actually already made. Um so yeah. You as motherfucking cat, guys. You as motherfucking cat. First off, I was waiting for this buy, right? I said I was waiting for the buy. And we did have that two entries that we had played up. Either she was gonna come in and she was gonna test us here, or she was gonna come down and she was gonna get us into that entry. She actually did do that. She felt that it was a gap, I think, on a 1 hour time frame, to be honest. Yeah, she felt that gap, came down a little bit more, and she's finally, finally making her way up like I wanted her to go. Um, so you could have been able to enter down here at the bottom when she made that lower high. But she did play. She did play. She looked like, oh, okay, we about to go. We about to go up. Psh, nope. And she was looking like she was making a support here, but she dropped down. I think that news that happened around like 9:30 happened. I need to do my research because I do not understand how AUD control USD CAD, but it did. And I don't think we had any news around that time, but that AUD news was strong. So I need to do my reference and see what happened there. But this morning, 8:30 news, I think it was the unemployment claims came out. It was good for the dollar. So when a dollar is good, USD, the base pair of USD is going to be good as well. So she did what she needed to do. Um, it's more clearer. Yeah, I kind of like this. So your entry actually could have been down here, right after that bullish engulfing was actually formed. Also, that was an evening start, and you could have been up um 45 pips. But if you had that buy stop that was set up, we are currently, it went up to 34 pips. She's currently went down. We are almost at the end of the day right now. So 11 pips in profit, but she has that potential to go back up. So I've been waiting. Patient pays. Okay, if you ain't hear nothing from a trader before, make sure that you know, as a trader, patient pays. um so yeah. Okay. I'm gonna clear up a couple of things. I know it's a lot of lines on my chart, so let me get some stuff out the way for us so we can be able to see. All right, so we have a long way to go if we're trying to get to get into that bullish engulfing right here. That's on a daily time frame. So we do have to break this little level right here, which is a daily support and resistance. If she does continue to break, retest, and then we can head on back to that next daily support and resistance. And let me clear this off because that was a little triangle formation that I seen. And then we can get these little breaks of zones. Well, I'm gonna keep that because I need to do my data. So yeah, that's what I see. I've been waiting on USD CAD to go ahead and make her breakout so she can go ahead and go. She been playing with me and she finally did what she doing, They motherfucking, never mind. It's about this, about the cuss and bang. All right, USD JPY, very smooth, very great transition. So we definitely did already had this set up, didn't have to move this setup. We just have to wait, y'all. We just have to wait. 201 pips in the bag. Can you dig it? How many pips have we already collected so far for the current week? Today is only Thursday. We have already profited off of EJ. Look at her. Hey baby. Um EA USD CAD is now in a little bit of profit, and then USD JPY TP smashed. Okay. So now what is happening where we are right now since this move has been made? Tomorrow is Friday, so I don't know. We'll probably get some consolidation or we'll get a drop down if she wants. I would want to see what happens when she actually closes. That's actually in what 1 minute and 3 seconds. That's gonna be the start of a new day. And we may get like a bearish and she may actually drop back down, or also we are in a tough spot if she wants to break out and continue to go up. So that is very interesting, very interesting. But I'm really feeling on the sales portion. Here we have a head and shoulders. If this is a true head and shoulders formation, I would definitely want to get some more price action candlesticks to confirm, to let me know we are selling. So the setup hasn't been set up just yet. But yeah. All right. And then we don't talk about our index, but she has been selling. And y'all, I did say earlier this week, if she wants to sell, she'll sell. But if not, we're gonna continue to go up, and that's exactly what she did this week. Let alone Monday. And I'm thinking because of all the market, all the earnings that has been taking place with the companies, 1,000. This is 1,000 points, guys. And I know I don't really talk about index, and I don't want to bring as a new person in to think that, hey, index, you can go ahead and just trade it, but you really can. It's very volatile. You need some money to be able to trade this. I'm not gonna lie, but US 30 or the Dow Jones, I call her dirty, and that was 1,000 points, meaning on a 0.01, that's $1,000. You're talking about $1,000 made on a 0.01, and today is only Thursday. And if you a mom out here making $1,000 in what, 4 days, instead of working 40 hours on a job, I don't think y'all understand me when I say that trading is powerful. And even if you don't want to trade for the rest of your life, which that's not going to be the goal, but what you can do is help fund whatever that you're trying to fund. You can help do the things that you're trying to do. Y'all call me at 5 o'clock, okay? Y'all about to get the y'all about to get the talk. All right. So that's what we have. That's what we have. All right, DXY doing what the DXY does. I had an alert on DXY. She did come and fill it. So we can easily see if she wants to continue to go up or we're gonna continue to go down. Today is now 5 p.m. on the Eastern Standard Time, meaning New York session has ended. We have now entered Asian session. Now, don't get me to lie, you can be able to trade Asian session, but Asian session is more so like the accumulation phase. We're just taking orders. We're not really making anything until it probably won't happen unless you're actually going to trade Asian pairs. That probably won't take place until maybe about 8 p.m., 9 p.m. That's when the market tends to start moving back again. Um, Now don't get me wrong. You can be able to profit in Asian session. You just have to make sure you play it safe and have your stop losses correct, because it could be just an accumulation phase and then it don't do the things that you wanted to do. And you're probably thinking like, damn, I'm not a good trader. When all in reality, you are a good trader. It's just you're trading in the wrong session. Trade based off how you need to trade. I'm gonna be honest, 5 o'clock, I'm cooking dinner. I'm getting the kids from home from school. And I'm getting everybody settled. So I really don't have that time to trade Asian session. Unless it's about what bedtime, 9 p.m. and kids are in bed. I probably move and miss the actual news move. So I'm not really stressing over Asian session. But however it fits your life, please trade and trade wisely. All right, so that's all I have. I don't really go over our news. I mean, not our news. I don't go over our indexes. I just wanted to show you how powerful trading is and how powerful it could get. So, we are not in the trade unless you actually want to take profit, want to take that risk and go ahead and trade the retracement. Retracement was 100 points. 100 points, guys. 100 points. All right. 100 plus that 118 plus that 40. Okay. Then we had 135. Okay. And then we up by 30. Or really, if you want to do 11. And she's still going up right now because she's making a candle. Okay. And then 200. What the fuck? Sorry. I'm sorry. I get a little carried away when things go the way that I want it to go. And then we got our 1,000 point move. Why is she screaming? Sorry. But when you guys become a consistent trader, a disciplined trader, a profitable trader, you will have the same excitement as I have, because you will start to see the seeds that you have been planting. Trading is not for everybody. Trading is not a bike ride. You can't just get it. You can't just get it, and I'm not gonna even say a bike ride. Trading is not like something that you can get overnight. This is not an overnight process. Like you can wake up, oh, I can trade. No, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some practice. One of my great mentors, he said that you have to have a minimum of 10,000 hours of back testing and practicing in order to get to be that consistent profitable trader. It takes that time to train your eyes to be able to see what is happening in the market. So when I'm going over the candlestick Bible, guys, I'm not just going over it because the book just tells me to. I'm going over it because this shit is actually powerful. In the book, it says itself, the candlestick trading Bible is one of the most powerful trading systems in history. Okay? He's just the person who made it, Oma Municia. Municia. I don't know. I don't care. Well, I do care. Thank you. But his discovery made him more than 10 billion in today's dollars. He spent 10 years compiling, testing, organizing, and consistently updating this method to create my own new version, which is considered to be the easiest and most profitable trading system. It says the candlestick trading Bible is the trading method that is going to finally take your trading, not mine, not his, not hers, but yours, to where it should be: consistent, profitable, easy, and requiring very little time and effort. Let me tell you something about little time and effort after we get this down. US 30, 1,000 points. Even if you waited until this count will actually close, we have a bullish engulfing. entering after the bullish engulfing to right now at this current point, 1,500 points. Okay, current market right now, 1,500 points. All right, cool. You want to wait until market breaks structure. That's cool. We wait for the retest, and we came. Well, this is the 1,000 points, but this is 991 points. What are we doing? Why are we not reading? Let's get into this book. Let's make this money. Let's rob some banks legally. Okay, I don't need the CSI now them coming to my house thinking I'm robbing banks illegally. But come like from on the mom standpoint, hold on. Cause let me tell y'all a little bit about my story. Then I'm gonna let y'all go because I know I've been here too long. I was a single mom. Nah, no, not no. I was a young mom. I had my first child at the age of 17. The person that I relied on, I couldn't rely on. Make me homeless. Trying to figure out I wasn't even out of my maternity leave trying to figure out where the hell, how the hell, when the hell, why the hell is this happening to me? Even down the line, even down the line, me quitting my job in the middle of COVID. And I'm so thankful that God actually is a blessing and a curse because I lost some people very dear to me, but it also opened my eyes. It also set me down. It also showed me what I needed to be shown. I was tired of getting this whack ass paycheck. Once it come, it's already gone within 2 hours because I'm paying bills and I'm paying everybody, Penn, Paul, Judith, Joseph, all them, and I ain't seeing shit. I'm working for nothing. Not spending time with my family. Not being able to do the things that I wanted to do. A vacation. We are taking my vacation days just to sleep because I'm tired. Who want to be like that? Because I don't want to be like that. If I'm gonna be working and if I'm gonna be losing sleep, it better be the motherfucking things that I want to do and not working for somebody else. Okay, that's that time and little to no effort that they're talking about. You got a business venture, but don't have the money. You don't have the business plan. You don't have the funds. Guess how you can get it? You don't got no Pampers. Guess how you can get it? You ain't got no milk. Formula. Formula $21 a can. Probably more. Especially because of the formula challenge, the shortage. I was in that. Didn't have no formula for my baby because nobody had formula. So now what? It's high right now? I don't know. But who wants to be that person that say, I don't have no money? I remember, I can't say that. I can't say that because I'm going to contradict myself. But if you a mom or even a dad, we know we make a way for our kids. We make some shit shake. Okay? Especially as moms. I can't, I ain't talk about the dads because I ain't no dad. I'm just talking about the moms. We know how to make nothing into something. It look like ain't nothing in our refrigerator. Guess what? Mama gonna make a full course meal. How the hell you find that? Oh, it was in the house. What? Where? Right here. Telling our kids no, they can't have it, not because we don't want to give it to them, but because we don't have the money to. Who wants to live like that? It's almost school time, y'all. I ain't paying. Listen, it's almost school time. Yes, now the depends on where you're staying, because I know everybody, and if you're not in a good city, or if you're not in a good, place that you live, they probably don't care for the kids. They don't really probably give things out to the kids. So, but if you gotta pay for everything, you talk about shoes, especially if you got those older kids think they gonna have 4, 5 shoes. I don't know where they gonna get that from, but somehow they think that they can have every single thing, uh, in every style. But these kids is getting big. Yeah, especially if you got multiple kids. You talk about multiple uniforms that you have to dish out. Even if you have to buy just one uniform per day, that's if you have 2 kids, that's 10 uniforms that you have to buy. I don't think I don't even. And then if you go to a private school, you got to get the customized shirts and uniforms. Then we talking about tuition for the baby, and they ain't talk about your rent or your mortgage or your car note or your car insurance or your light note or your gas note or your water note or your. We ain't even talking about gas. I don't know about y'all, but I got tired of living like that. I got tired of asking for people for stuff. And the person that I am, I've always been a go getter. So asking for help, that shit hurted my core. Y'all didn't call me on a good one, y'all, because I'm about to go for a whole hour. Y'all made the Georgia come up out me. All right, so let's get this shit. Let's put our minds and our focus this weekend while I'm gone. I want y'all to read. I want you guys to chart. I want you guys to look back. I want you guys to train your eyes, even if you have to work on one thing. We broke this down in section by section. Sorry, we broke this down. What is a candlestick? We broke down the candlestick patterns. We broke down, I think it's just one by itself, which is the engulfing bars, where we only talked about the engulfing bars. If you have to break it down and go over it and do a whole month, I don't give a fuck, because with just the engulfing bar candlestick and engulfing bar trading system alone will help you. It will help you. They got a whole to get the engulfing bar candlestick pattern and how to trade it. If you just take your time, if you just sit back, um, when I was learning this, and if you have young children, like the babies, the fresh babies, whatever, they wake up at 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, whatever. Get up with them. You might be tired. Get up with them, feed them, get them changed, whatever, put them back to sleep and stay up. Do this for an hour. You on maternity leave, this is the best time for you to be learning right now. You don't have to worry about going to a job right now. All you got to be focused on is this charts and taking care of your baby. Yes, they do say sleep when the baby is sleeping. I get it. You tired. Go ahead, get your little nap in, but get back up and let's get this shit. You gotta sleep all day. Get you some fruits. gives you some nourishment in your body that will keep your body energized. Exercise, you can be exercising, reading the candlestick Bible. Did y'all know that? I ain't gonna be here no more. I swear I ain't gonna be here no more because I gotta cook dinner for myself and these kids. But today was a good one. Today was a great one. It's not gonna hope happen overnight, but you gotta be patient. You gotta be consistent. You gotta be disciplined so you can become profitable. You don't get profitable in one day. When I say one day, I mean overnight because you can become profitable in one day. You gotta you in order for you to be profitable in one day, you can get profitable in one day if you understand what I'm saying. If you understand what I'm saying, I ain't gonna be here long. I swear I ain't. I swear I ain't. I got some events coming up this weekend. Also, there is my family reunion that's supposed to be happening this weekend, but business first, and then you know, sometimes you gotta take out. Listen, when learning this, my family, even my sisters and them, oh man, you never coming over here. You always working. You always studying. At first, I used to be like, I'm studying. Nah, I can't go. What you studying for? Studying the Candlestick Bible. Nah, I ain't in school, but when you in school, shit, you still gotta study. I wasn't studying for no. This is a lifetime. I can teach my kids this and teach them so they don't have to work for nobody. So they can be able to get their own money and do the things that they want to do. We ain't even talking about the investing side. Yeah, I do more than trading. I talk about financial literacy. I talk about how you can leave wealth for your generations to come. I and man. All right, y'all. Let's get into this book though. Let's get into this book. We got the candlestick trading Bible. I help some moms, and I'm so thankful. I've been helping some people that's on YouTube that's been listening to me. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I thank you guys for the likes, the comments, the shares, the support. I thank you guys for following me over from TikTok into Instagram, from Instagram to Facebook. Make sure that you get into our Facebook page, our Facebook group, The Goddess Trader. I think I'm gonna change that to the Goddess Tribe. Still kind of a little iffy on that. I'm gonna let God tell me what to do on that. Um, um, what I was about to say. Make sure if you're not following me, you follow me on all of your social media platforms. That is MartheGodess, two number twos. Yes, I know it's only one D. That's how I want it to be. I love you guys. I can't wait to see more success from you guys. Feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to replay my videos. Feel free to break down my videos and pause it. I do apologize because I am a mom. So some of my videos in the beginning definitely had baby boy crying in the background, but we made it work. We made it together. I really didn't know much about YouTube and how to YouTube, but I think you guys have seen my progress so far. So yes, yes, yes. And I can't wait to see you guys progress as well. It's gonna be lovely. It's gonna be great. I cannot wait to meet up with you guys in person. I cannot wait to hear your success stories. And we've had some failure stories. One of my failure stories, I blew a fucking account. That's not the first account I blew. Man, I remember crying because I used to call myself a failure. Like I can't do this shit. This shit ain't for me. And that's sometimes it happens. But what we're trying to avoid for you to make you feel like a failure forever, because you're not a failure. You're just going through the process. You just can't quit. You just can't give up. I don't know if y'all seen those pictures or those videos or those memes or those quotes or whatever, those images when they got the diggers, right? And it's this digger and he's digging and he's digging and he's digging and he gives up. He's like literally less than an inch close to his gold mine. But if he would have not given up, he would have been right there. I know it gets harder sometimes, but don't give up. I know you may be focused on different things, but you can't give up. Keep going. Because you know what? The devil just wants you to stop. The devil wants you to be in the same place that you've been before. He wants you to be in that lowly place. Guys, I suffer with depression and anxiety. I know how it feels. I remember it was days that I didn't want to get out of the bed, but guess what? I had to. And then also being on mom on top of that, yeah, let me cry in this bed for 30 minutes, but let me get my ass up because I'm not gonna be in here all day. I got shit to do. I got shit to do. All right. We got shit to do too. So let's get this together. Let's make this money. Let's rob these banks legally, that is. And I don't know. Shit. Maybe we could start planning something, you know? All right. So I'm out. Merida Goddess 22. You guys have a wonderful week, a wonderful day. If I do not see you guys, I don't know when I'm gonna see you. Well, let me not say that. I'll be back Sunday. Um, I just don't have a exact certain time yet. 'Cause this weekend is you know, you get it. All right. I am out. Make sure that you are following, like, subscribe, share my information, tag somebody if you know who need this. Okay. If you don't think you need this, somebody else may need this. All right. If you want to know more about my other business ventures, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here. I am always here. I'm always a helping hand. This is what God led me to do. I love helping people. All right. I'm out. Don't let me get for a ride. We be on here another 30 minutes. All right. All right. I'm out. Peace. Later.